Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send out onboarding checklists using Slack Workflow Builder and ToDoBot. Workflow Builder is a rather new feature of Slack which allows you to automate simple tasks, and one of the main use cases for it is automating channel greetings. Like whenever someone joins a new channel, you can automatically send them a message saying, "Hey, welcome to this channel. Here's our code of conduct, and don't forget to introduce yourself," and so on and so forth. And a natural expansion of that would be sending out a checklist. Let's say whenever new hires join your general channel, you can send them something like, "Welcome to this wonderful company. Please don't forget to sign up for your health benefits, configure your VPN, reset all the temporary passwords," and so on. Unfortunately, Slack doesn't offer you built-in functionality to do this, but luckily we have ToDoBot, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect the two. For my demo, I'll be using this Project X channel, which is some fake project that people join, and we want to onboard them with two checklist items. And I'll also need this second helper channel called Project X Onboarding Helper. I'll explain why we need it a little bit later. But for now, let's start by going to the top left menu, Tools, Workflow Builder. Let's create a new workflow, and let's call it Project X Onboarding. We're going to trigger this workflow by the new channel member trigger. This means whenever someone joins a channel, a workflow is going to start, and we're going to point it at Project X channel. We're going to add our first step, which is going to be a send message step. And ideally, we could send a message directly to ToDoBot, but unfortunately Slack doesn't allow sending messages to bots through Workflow Builder. So that's why we need this helper channel, which is going to serve as a proxy or bridge between Workflow Builder and ToDoBot. We're going to configure a step to send a message to the helper channel. And the message is going to say, "Add ToDoBot, do something." And then we're going to insert the person's name. This is going to be substituted with the handle of whoever joined the Project X channel. I'm going to save this step, and as I mentioned, we're going to create two to-dos automatically. So I'm going to add another step, also pointing at the helper channel, saying "Add ToDoBot, do something else," and a person's name. Save. So we have a workflow here which is going to trigger whenever someone joins the Project X channel, and it's going to send two messages to the ToDoBot mentioning two different to-dos and a person's name, and it's going to send them through the onboarding helper channel. So I'm going to hit publish. Slack just notified me that I created this new workflow, and let's test it. I'm gonna leave the Project X channel. I'm gonna go to the channels, browse channel, and search for the Project X channel again, and join. So you see here, Slack sent me a bunch of notifications at once. And the first thing you're going to check is this onboarding helper channel, where we will see that Slack indeed created these two new messages saying ToDoBot do something to my nickname, and ToDoBot reacted to these messages with standard checklist actions, and it also assigned two new to-dos to me. You can see notification here, or if you go to the Home tab, you'll see two new items in the Shared With Me section. And I can check one item off, and you'll see that reflected in the onboarding helper channel. You can see a green check mark here. And one additional step that you can take is if you plan on onboarding a lot of people and you need to monitor their onboarding status, but you don't want to get a lot of notifications, you can leave the onboarding helper channel, but in order to still be able to monitor things, you would need to go back to ToDoBot and create a view through which you will see all the to-dos created from the onboarding helper channel without getting the actual notifications. So you would go to the filter drop down and hit this create new view item. Let's call this view project X onboarding status. Start with all to-dos from all public channels and filter them by the project X onboarding helper channel. Add, and you can see that a new view appeared in the views group in the filter, and through this view you'll see one open to do in this channel. This is just one because I've checked the other one, and I can go to the settings and enable recently done items, and I'll see here the other one that I just checked off and yet another one which I created while recording another take of this video. This was it, and I hope this was helpful and you'll be able to automate your new employee, new hire, new project member, new customer, new whoever onboarding with Slack Workflow Builder and ToDoBot. Thanks for listening.